Coronavirus czar and professor Roni Gamzu's now famous traffic light plan is not even in full force yet, but already the levels of cooperation from the public is failing us. 3,150 COVID-19 cases have been confirmed in Israel since Wednesday, the largest and most alarming 24-hour spike in the country since the pandemic began, and it represents a nearly 10% infection rate. And this bringing the total number of infected Israelis to upwards of 123,000, active cases at nearly 24,000, severe cases at 426, and the death toll rising to 976. Victims of the virus ranging in age between 19 and 102. Yet this is only the beginning as well. Health experts now warning ministers at today's COVID cabinet meeting to expect a dramatic increase in seriously ill patients within 2 weeks, primarily from the ultra-Orthodox and Arab Israeli sectors, where most of the new infections have been erupting. Many in these communities ignoring Israeli Health Ministry regulations outright, with ultra-Orthodox Rabbi Chaim Kanevsky, for one, even going so far as to order yeshiva students to avoid testing, as a positive test could lead back to the religious seminaries and shut them down. Gamzu, for his part, then, is condemning these flagrant violations, including the opening of schools in so-called red communities, where infection rates are particularly high, despite orders to close. Students across the nation have also reportedly been throwing various parties to ring in the new school year, in violation of both distancing and mask-wearing regulations. So that's why the coronavirus cabinet, under Gamzu's suggestion, is reportedly going on to extend red city labels to another 8 cities and towns, bringing the total in Israel to 31 and counting. Serious closures and nationwide lockdowns ahead of the coming holidays being likely.